The problem of pet obesity has reached such a level that it's now considered an epidemic in both the USA and the UK. And just like us humans, being overweight or obese can cause serious health problems for our furry friends, such as diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and a shorter lifespan. But if you own an overweight dog or cat and have tried everything to help them shed the pounds, including a healthy diet and regular exercise, there is now a new and potentially game-changing treatment available to you. It's called OKV-119, which is often referred to as the Ozempic for pets, and it's currently being compared head-to-head against Ozempic in human trials. But what is OKV-119, and could this really help your overweight dog or cat lose weight? In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the OKV-19 drug, what it is, and how it works. We'll also talk about its pros and cons, as well as any risks or side effects you should know about. So if you're interested in finding out more, please do continue watching. First of all, let's start with what is OKV-119. Well, OKV-119 is a new type of implant that is inserted under the skin and provides a slow-release dose of semaglutide, which is a medication that is similar to the active ingredient found in the Ozempic pens used for humans. The implant is about the size of a microchip, and it sits just below the surface of the skin where it gradually releases the medication. Semaglutide is a glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor agonist, which is a mouthful, but basically, it's a drug that's designed to reduce appetite and make you feel full after eating. And in the case of overweight dogs and cats, the idea is that by reducing their appetite, they will automatically eat less and therefore lose weight. The OKV-119 implant is still in the experimental and clinical trial phases, but it's shown some promising results in helping obese pets lose weight. According to Elanco, who are developing the implant, the OKV-119 implant has shown to help dogs lose up to 13% of their body weight and cats lose up to 23% of their body weight over a 26-week period. There are many potential pros to using the OKV-119 implant to help your dog or cat lose weight. Firstly, it could be a game changer for helping severely obese pets lose weight faster than they would with diet and exercise alone. Secondly, it reduces the risk of diabetes and reduces the strain on their joints. And thirdly, it's a long-acting solution that can work for several months at a time, depending on the formulation. This means that unlike daily medications or frequent vet visits for weight loss injections, the OKV-119 implant can be a convenient and hassle-free option for some pet owners. However, there are also some potential concerns and risks to consider. Firstly, the OKV-119 implant is not FDA approved for use in pets yet. It's only available for veterinary use through research studies. Secondly, there are unknown long-term side effects for dogs and cats. As the implant is relatively new, we don't know what the long-term effects of semaglutide will be on animals. Thirdly, it's expensive. Unlike traditional weight management options, the OKV-119 implant could be very costly. And finally, it could make owners neglect the basics of weight loss for their pets. The OKV-119 implant is intended to supplement diet and exercise, not replace it. But some owners may be tempted to rely on the implant alone without making any other changes to their pet's lifestyle. So what are some safe alternatives to the OKV-119 implant? There are actually quite a few options available to you. You could speak to your vet about a vet-approved weight loss diet for dogs or cats. You could try portion control and scheduled feeding. You could give your pet low-calorie healthy treats. You could increase their exercise levels with regular walks or indoor play. And you could even look into veterinary weight management programs for overweight pets. In conclusion, while the OKV-119 implant may sound like a magic fix for overweight pets, it's important to remember that it's still experimental and not yet approved by the FDA. The safest path to a healthier pet is a balanced diet, regular vet checkups, and exercise. However, if you are struggling to help your overweight dog or cat lose weight, then it may be worth speaking to your vet about the OKV-119 implant or other medical options that are available. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Pet Health and Care for more expert pet health updates. You can also show your support by liking this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.